Hello everyone. Here we have Fourier series of period 2L. Already we have done problems on the Fourier series of period 2L. I mean 2 pi. So here we have period 2L. So let f of x be a function with period 2L. Then the trigonometric series f of x equals to a0 divided by 2 plus summation n equals to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x divided by L plus summation n equals to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x divided by L in the interval minus L to L is called Fourier series of period 2L. Here the Fourier constants a0, an and bn are given by Euler's formulae. a0 is equals to 1 by L integration minus L to L f of x dx. an is equals to 1 by L integration minus L to L f of x cos n pi x divided by L into dx. bn is equals to 1 by L integration minus L to L f of x sin n pi x divided by L into dx. So here almost these constants are similar to the of period 2 pi, but here the difference is there we have 1 by pi, but here in this case we have 1 by L, and here there we have only cos nx, but here we have cos n pi x divided by L. Remaining are same. Okay. Now we solve some problems on this. Here we have first problem. Find the Fourier series for the function f of x is equals to x minus x square, where minus 1 is less than 0, which is less than 1. Solution. We know that f of x, that is Fourier series for period 2L, is given by a0 divided by 2 plus summation n equals to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x divided by L plus summation n equals to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x divided by L. Okay. So here given that f of x is equals to x minus x square and the L value. So here given that period is minus L to L. So that means here L value is 2L is 2L value is equals to 2. This implies that L value is equals to 1. So this L can be calculated as, so length of the period is, that is 2L value is equals to this one. So L is equals to 1, minus into minus we have plus 1. This is equals to 2. So that 2L value is equals to 2. Now, so first we compute the a0 value. a0 value is 1 by L integration minus L to L f of x dx. So which is equals to 1 by 1 integration minus 1 to 1. F of x value is x minus x square into dx, that is equals to x minus x square integration is x square divided by 2 minus x cube divided by 3, and the limits are minus 1 to 1, which is equals to, adding upper limits we get 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 3. Now adding lower limits, so minus 1 square is plus 1 only, so minus 1 divided by 2. Here already minus is there, minus into minus we get plus, but minus 1 cube is equals to we get minus 1. Therefore it is again minus 1 divided by 3. So this minus 1 get cancels, minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is equals to we get minus 2 by 3. Now an value. An is equals to again 1 by L integration minus L to L f of x cos n pi x divided by L, but in this case L is equals to 1, therefore it is equals to integration minus 1 to 1 f of x value is x minus x square cos of n pi x into dx. So here we have dx. So because here L value is equals to 1, right? Next, integrating this one we get, we apply the Bernoulli's generalized rule for the integration. So that is x minus x square as it is, integration of cos n pi x is sin n pi x divided by n pi minus x square differentiation is x differentiation 1, x square differentiation is minus 2x. Here this integration of this one is minus cos n pi x divided by n square pi square plus this minus 2x differentiation is minus 2 integration of this one is minus sin n pi x divided by n cube pi cube, and the limits are, here only we substitute the limits, minus 1 to 1, right? Now we apply the limits here. So before evaluating these limits, first we simplify the signs here, that is an is equals to x minus x square, this is sin n pi x divided by n pi. Here this minus into minus becomes plus 1 minus 2x into cos n pi x divided by n square pi square. Again this minus into minus plus 2 sin n pi divided by n cube pi cube, and the limits are minus 1 to 1. Now we apply the limits here. Now applying the limits for all the sign terms, all the sign, wherever we have the sign terms we get 0, because sign of substituting x equals to 1 we get sin n pi. We know that sin n pi is equals to 0. Therefore wherever we have the sign terms we get 0. So therefore this total term becomes 0. We substitute upper limit here. So 1 minus 2x, 1 minus 2 into 1 is equals to, we get 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 into cos of n pi divided by substituting n is equals to n, we get pi square plus again it is becomes 0. Next we go for the lower limit, minus of lower limit 1, again substituting x equals to minus 1 we get minus into minus plus 2 cos of minus 1 is equal, cos of minus theta equals to, we have cos theta only, therefore again it is cos n pi divided by again n square value is equals to minus 1 square is equals to 1, so it is pi square. Further simplifying we get, so an is equals to, sorry here we get this n square, so here we are adding x values not n values, therefore it is n square as it is. So here also n square as it is. N is equals to minus 2, sorry 1 minus 2 is equals to minus cos n pi divided by n square pi square. Here it is 1 plus 3 is equals to minus 3 cos n pi divided by n square pi square. Simplifying this one we get minus 4 divided by n square pi square cos n pi, that is an is equals to minus 4 divided by n square pi square, cos n pi value is minus 1 raised to n, because cos n pi value is equals to minus 1 raised to n. Okay, Bn is equals to 1 divided by L minus integration minus L to L f of x sin n pi x divided by L into dx. So L is equals to 1 here, therefore it is equals to integration minus 1 to 1 f of x is x minus x square sin pi x, sorry sin n pi x into dx. Again integrating by rules, by parts, we get Bn is equals to this x minus, sorry this is x minus x square as it is, integration of sin is minus cos n pi x divided by n pi minus this x differentiation is 1 minus 2x, this minus sign as it is, cos difference integration is sin n pi x divided by n square pi square. Now alternatively we get plus sign, so here 1 differentiation 0, this x minus 2x differentiation is minus 2, the sign integration is minus cos, minus into minus we get plus cos n pi x divided by n cube pi cube, and the limits are -1 to 1. Again, before going to apply the limits here, we simplify all the signs here. X minus, this is, here we have minus sign, therefore we get minus x minus x square cos n pi x divided by n pi. This minus into minus we get plus 1 minus 2x divided by n square pi square into sin n pi x. This becomes minus 2 cos n pi x divided by n cube pi cube minus 1 to 1. Now adding the limits. So again sin terms become 0, only we add the limits for cos terms. So here you can observe that x minus x square is there, 1 minus 1 square equals to 0. Okay, this terms becomes 0 because 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. The first term becomes 0. Next, even this one also 0. Next, this term becomes minus 2 cos n pi divided by n value is, sorry, here we get n cube into pi cube. Next, applying lower limit, again this term minus 1, here minus 1 minus 1 square is equals to plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancels, we get 0. Sorry, here we get minus 1 which is equals to minus 2. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 1 is equals to, we get plus 2 cos n pi divided by n pi. Next, this term becomes 0. Here minus into minus, sorry, this minus, minus because my minus of lower limit, we get minus into minus plus. Even here also we get minus sign here because minus 1 we get minus 2. So minus of lower limit, that is we get plus 2 cos n pi divided by n cube pi cube. So simplifying this one, we get this plus 2 cos n pi and this one get cancels, we get this minus 2 cos n pi divided by n pi, which is equals to minus 2 divided by n pi. This cos n pi value is minus 1 raised to n. Thus Bn value is minus 2 divided by n pi minus 1 raised to n. Now substituting this an value and bn value into Fourier series, we get f of x is equals to a0 divided by 2. A0 value is minus 2 by 3. 2 get cancels, we get minus 1 by 3 plus summation n equals to 1 to infinity. An value is minus 4 divided by n square pi square minus 1 raised to n cos of n pi x plus summation n equals to 1 to infinity. Bn value is minus 2 divided by n pi minus 1 raised to n. Okay, this is the required Fourier series. If you substitute n value 1, 2, 3 and so on, we get, substituting n values here, f of x becomes minus 1 by 3 plus substituting n values, we get minus 4 by pi is constant. So this minus 4 by pi is constant, therefore we take outside. So now substituting here n values. So for n equals to 1, so this minus 1 power raised to n becomes minus sign. So this is minus 1 cos of pi x divided by n square, means it is 1 square. So for n is equals to 2, this terms becomes plus 2 cos, sorry, this is not 2, cos of 2 pi x divided by 2 square. Next minus cos of 3 pi x divided by 3 square and so on. Next, substituting n values here in this bn. So here we have sine of n pi x. Okay, so we get plus here minus 2 by pi can be taken outside, minus 2 by pi taking outside, we get here minus 1 raised to n. For n is equals to 1, this is becomes, so this minus 2 by pi common, so n is equals to 1, this becomes minus, so minus sine of pi x divided by 1 plus, for n is equals to 2, again it becomes plus, therefore cos of, sorry this is not cos, sine of 2 pi x divided by 2 minus sine of 3 pi x divided by 3 and so on. So further simplifying, that is f of x, so we substitute f of x value here. F of x value is x minus x square, so this is 1 by 3. So multiplying this minus 2, this bracket we get plus 4 by pi, this becomes plus cos of pi x divided by 1 square minus cos of 2 pi x divided by 2 square plus cos of 3 pi x divided by 3 square and so on. Here again multiplying this minus 2, this bracket we get 2 by pi sine of pi x divided by 1 minus sine of 2 pi x divided by 2 plus sine of 3 pi x divided by 3 and so. Okay, so this Fourier series can be further extended as like this. That is, we substitute the n values here, n is equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on. If it is easy, so that is an and bn values are simple, then you can substitute here only, that is directly. Otherwise you can calculate the an value and bn values separately. So here we have first problem, f of x is equals to minus 1 when minus 1 is less than x, which is less than 0, and 2x when 0 is less than x and which is less than 1, and given that f of x plus L is equals to f of x. That means this function, you can observe that the limits are minus 1 and 1. So here the period is 2L. Okay. For Fourier constants we need L and minus L value. Therefore first we calculate that L value. So given that 2L is equals to 1 minus 1 minus 1 is equals to, we get plus 1. So 2L is equals to here 2. So this implies that L is equals to 1. Okay. Now we know that the Fourier series is f of x is equals to a0 divided by 2 plus summation n is equals to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x divided by L plus summation n is equals to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x divided by L. Okay. Next we compute the Fourier constant, that is first one is a0. So a0 is given by Euler's formula, that is 1 by L is equals to 1 by L integration minus L to L f of x dx. Okay, here this function is divided into two intervals, so that we have to write the intervals here first. 1 by L, L means it is 1 by 1 integration minus 1 to 1 f of x is, so f of x dx. So this can be written as 1 by 1 is equals to 1. So integration, the intervals are divided into two intervals. The first interval is minus 1 to 0 f of x. So when the limit is minus 1 to 0, then the f of x value is minus 1. Therefore it is minus 1 into dx plus 0 to 1 when intervals 0 to 1, that is x value is 0, lies between 0 to 1, then the function value is given by 2x. Therefore we write here 2x into dx. Now integrating this one, we get minus 1, minus can be taken outside, 1 integration is x and the limits are minus 1 to 0 plus here 2x integration is 2x square by 2, 2 to get cancels, we simply get x square and the limits are 0 to 1. Okay. So now simplifying these limits, we get this upper limit minus of lower limit, minus 1 into minus into minus, we get plus 1 plus x square means it is 1 minus 0. So simplifying, we get 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So thus a naught value is equals to 2. So you may consider this one as equation 1. This is equation 2. Next we compute the value of an. So an is given by 1 by L. Okay. So integration minus L to L f of x into cos n pi x divided by L into dx. Okay. Now here L value is minus plus 1. Okay. So substituting L value 1 by 1 is equals to, simply we get 1. Integration minus 1 to 1. We simply write f of x into cos n pi x divided by L means it is 1, which is simply equals to 1. So now simplifying this one, we get a naught equals to minus 1 integration is x, limits are minus 1 to 0 plus x square. So 2 to get cancels, we get x square and the limits are 0 to 1. Simplifying, we get minus 0, minus into minus we get plus 1, plus adding upper limit we get 1 minus 0. So further simplifying, we get minus 1 plus 1, which get cancels, we get 0. So a naught value is equals to 0. Now we compute the n value. N is equals to 1 by L minus L to L f of x cos n pi x by L into dx. So here L value is equals to 1, therefore we get 1 into minus 1 to 1 f of x cos n pi x, because L value is equals to 1. Now this function is divided into two intervals, that is, this can be written as integration minus 1 to 0. When limit is minus 1 to 0, then we have the function value minus 1. So minus 1 into cos n pi x dx plus 0 to 1 f of x value is 2 cos n pi x dx. Now integrating this one, we get minus can be taken outside. Cos n pi x integration is sin n pi x into n divided by n pi. Limits are minus 1 to 0, plus 2 can be taken outside. Here we get x into cos n pi x. Integrating by parts, we get x as it is. Cos n pi x integration is sin n pi x divided by n pi. Next minus x differentiation is 1. Sin pi n x integration is minus cos n pi x divided by n square pi square. Okay, so we write here this one. So that is minus cos n pi x divided by n square pi square. Okay, and the limits are 0 to 1. So this step is written here. Now further simplifying, we get, now evaluating limits, this whole term becomes 0 because sin of 0 is equals to 0, while adding lower limit, so this becomes sin n pi. We know that sin n pi is equals to 0, therefore this total term becomes 0 plus 2 as it is. Even this term also becomes 0 because of sin n pi is equals to 0 and sin 0 is equals to 0. Okay, so this one is 0. Next, this minus into minus we get plus cos, adding upper limits here, cos of n pi divided by n square pi square, minus of lower limit minus cos of 0 divided by n square pi square, or this can be written as 2 into, we know that cos n pi is equals to minus 1 power n and minus cos of 0 is equals to 1. in these two we can take n square pi square as a common. So further simplifying this one, we get 2 divided by n square pi square minus 1 power n minus 1. So this is the an value. So an is equals to 2 divided by n square pi square minus 1 power n minus 1. Okay. Next we compute the bn value. So that is bn is equals to 1 by L integration minus L to L f of x sin n pi x divided by L into dx. So here L is equals to 1, therefore it is equals to integration 0 to minus 1 to 0 f of, when limits are minus 1 to 0, f of x is given by minus 1 into sin of n pi x plus 0 to 1 2x sin of n pi x dx, because here L value is equals to 1. Now integrating this one, we get minus taken outside, sin n pi x integration is minus cos n pi x divided by n pi, and the limits are minus 1 to 0, plus again by applying Leibniz rule of integration by parts, we get, sorry, not Leibniz rule, Bernoulli's equation, Bernoulli's rule for integration by parts. We get this 2x as it is, integration of sin nx is minus cos n pi x divided by n pi minus 2x integration differentiation is 2. Okay. Next again this cos n pi x integration is minus as it is sin n pi x divided by n square pi square, and the limits are 0 to 1. Okay. In the next step we get differentiation of 2 is equals to 0. Now further simplify, this can be further simplified as, first we calculate the all the signs here, that is we simplify these signs. This becomes minus 1 minus into minus plus, we add the limits for this one, or simply we write minus into minus plus 1 by n pi can be taken outside, we apply limits only for this cos n pi. Next here 2 can be taken outside, on taking 2 common, even we take minus sign also common. Okay, on taking minus 2 outside, here in this bracket we get x cos n pi x divided by n pi. On taking minus sign we get this become plus, sorry, here this minus into minus becomes plus, but we are taking minus sign outside, therefore it becomes minus sin n pi x divided by n square pi square, and the limits are 0 to 1. Now we apply the limits here. On applying limits we get 1 by n pi, here this becomes cos of 0 minus cos n pi. If cos of minus theta is equals to, we get cos theta only, therefore it is cos n pi. Next minus 2, applying upper limit, this becomes cos n pi x, x value is equals to 1, cos n pi divided by n pi. We can observe that on substituting x is equals to 1, we get sin n pi which is equals to 0. Now applying lower limit, this because of this x, this term becomes 0, we get 0, even sin of 0 is equals to 0, we get 0 only. So further simplifying we get 1 by n pi, cos of 0 is equals to 1, this one is minus 1 power n, here we get minus cos of n pi is equals to, again it is minus 1 power n divided by n pi. In these two cases n pi is common, so 1 by n pi can be taken outside, it becomes 1 minus 2 is equals to, so or we can write it as, here we keep this one as it is, minus 1 power n minus 2 minus 1 power n. So it is 2 terms. Further simplifying, we get minus 3 into minus 1 power n. Okay. So this is Bn value. Okay. Thus the Fourier series is f of x is equals to a naught value is equals to 0. Therefore we write only this one, that is n equals to 1 to infinity. An value is equals to 2 divided by n square pi square minus 1 raised to n minus 1 into cos n pi x plus summation n equals to 1 to infinity. Bn value is 1 by n pi 1 minus 3 into minus 1 power n into sin n pi x. So this is the required Fourier series. Now if you substitute n is equals n values, that is n equals to 1, 2, 3, then this becomes, that is a1 becomes, here we write it as a note, we have an value is equals to 2 divided by n square pi square minus 1 raised to n minus 1. Okay, now adding n values, we get for n is equals to 1, an value is equals to 2 by 1 square means it is 1 pi square. So when n is equals to 1, it becomes minus 1 is equals to, we get minus 2, which is equals to 2 into 2 is equals to, we get minus 4 divided by pi squared. So when n is equals to 2, we get an value is equals to 2 divided by 2 square is 4 pi square. This becomes plus, because n is equals to 2, which is even. For even values it is equals to, so minus 1 square is equals to plus 1, minus 1 we get 0. For n is equals to 3, a3 value is equals to, a3 is equals to, we get 2 divided by n square means 3 square is equals to 9 pi square. So for 3, n is equals to odd means it is minus 1, so which is equals to minus 4 divided by 9 pi square. 3 values. So here Bn is given by 1 by n pi, so B1 is equals to 1 by n pi minus 3 into minus 1 power n. So when n is equals to 1, so we get this B1 value is equals to 1 by pi 1 minus, when n is equals to 1, this becomes minus 1. So minus into minus we get plus 3 is equals to 4 by pi. When n is equals to 2, B2 value is equals to 1 by 2 pi 1 minus. So this becomes, for n is equals to 2 means it is even. For even it is plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 3 is equals to, we get minus 3 is equals to, so it is equals to minus 2 by 2 pi, which is equals to 2 to get cancels, we get minus 1 by pi. For n is equals to 3, we will get B3. So we get 1 by 3 pi 1. So this is plus 3, because when n is equals to odd it is minus 1, minus into minus plus 3, we get again 4 by 3 pi. So when n is equals to 1, so here we add the n value 1. For n is equals to 1, an value is equals to, we got minus 4 by pi square. So substituting that values, we get minus 4 by pi square when n is equals to 1 cos of n pi. Next, plus n is equals to 2, we got 0, so total it becomes 0. For n is equals to 3, it is minus 4 9 pi square cos of n means it is 1, so it is pi x, so it is 3 pi x. Like this we get the values. Okay, plus now for Bn, for this one Bn values are here. We substitute Bn values, B1, B2 and B3 values. We get 4 by pi sin pi x minus 1 by pi sin 2 pi x plus 4 by 3 pi sin 3 pi x and so on. Or in this we can take 4 as a common, 4 pi square, so it becomes minus cos of pi x minus cos of 3 pi. Even we take this minus sign also outside, it is plus cos of 3 pi x and so on, plus in this case 1 by pi can be taken outside. On taking 1 by pi outside we get 4 sin pi x minus sin 2 pi x plus 4 sin 3 pi x and so on. So if they ask, show that this one means you have to substitute the n values, that is n is equals to 1, 2, 3 in the bn and an. Then finally you substitute in the given Fourier series and simplify, you will get the required answer. Okay. Otherwise you have to just write the Fourier series. That means you have to find the a0 value, an value and bn value and substitute into the Fourier series. Then you will get the answer like this. Okay.